Bakit magandang bukod sa may short-term healthcare tayo, meron din tayong long-term healthcare? Una, sa short-term healthcare, no accumulation of unused health fund. Sa long-term healthcare, kapag wala tayong nagagamit dahil hindi tayo nagkakasakit, all unused health fund accumulates with interest. Pangalawa, sa short-term healthcare, no term insurance coverage. Sa long-term healthcare, meron tayong four-way insurance coverage. Term insurance, accidental death and dismemberment insurance, at meron din tayong waiver of installment due to death and waiver of installment due to total and permanent disability. Ibig sabihin, pag may nangyari sa ating mga plan holder, matatransfer sa beneficiary natin ng fully paid ang ating plan plus may insurance proceeds sila. At pangatlo, no return of premium for non-utilization sa short-term healthcare. Pero sa long-term healthcare, may return of premium up to 85%